Hey guys, quick review. Got some Fat Orange Cat Brewing Company's Severe Tire Damage. This is a double IPA, hop-forward New England-style IPA with tropical fruit notes. East Hampton, Connecticut. This was sent by my buddy Rich. We do some trades on Facebook, and solid dude. I've heard of Fat Orange Cat. I haven't had any of their beers. He said had to try it, so I'm looking forward to this. I don't know what hops are in it. Tried Googling it. And I decided, no, let's go blind. That poured about 3 fingers of fluffy white head. Orange, dark orange, yellowish. Yeah. Nose. I think there's Mosaic in this. You get that like biscuity, like blueberry-ish sweetness. Piney almost, resiny. Take a sip. It's pretty tasty. Yeah, I would if I was a betting man, I would say Mosaic. You're getting that crackery malt. You're getting that like little bit of bitterness. You're getting some like just that citrusy. Yeah, really delicious. You're just getting this tropical juicy burst of citrus. You're getting this that crackery malt I mentioned, but you're also getting like that blueberry from the Mosaic. Delicious. Drink it. Get this. Fat Orange Cat. Next time I'm in Connecticut, I definitely would like to check out the brewery. So Severe Tire Damage. Fat Orange Cat. Best fucking label ever. Cheers, this is Sean. Nerdsense Drinks.